The new Ever Organics Papaya Serum Soothing Gel can be used as facial moisturizer and body lotion. This is infused with papaya extract and niacinamide that help brighten the skin. It also improves skin natural complexion and contains hyaluronic acid to deeply hydrate the skin. It helps minimize the appearance of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles, improves the elasticity of your skin, and keeps your skin fresh all day. This is suitable for all skin types. This is made in Korea, paraben-free, cruelty-free, and vegan, and can be shopped at Lazada, Shopee, and has free shipping and discount. It's also available at Watson's, Savemore, SM Malls, Alfamart, Robinsons, and other leading department stores and supermarkets nationwide.